Check mic. All right. Yan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind, kung saan we talk about making money. Right? In general, we talk about the stock market kasi ito yung pinakamalaki exposure natin. Stock market, hindi lang sa stock market, right? We also make money in Forex. We also make money in cryptocurrency, NFTs, very hot right now. And we talk about all the opportunities out there. Kung meron man, I do my best to research about it and we talk about it here. Diba? Then again, start tayo sa stock market updates po natin ngayon. Majorly, we are going to be talking about stock market. So if you're a newbie, this is the best program that you are watching para po magabayan kayo sa stock market journey niyo. If you're a regular here, and po, a little favor from my end, please share this video. Paki-share po ito sa mga friends and your relatives and to your trading groups out there. Please help me, Financial Freedom 101, and StockZed's goal in reaching the newbie Filipino trader as much as possible. Kahit isang araw marating natin para naman po we can guide their start, hindi sila maipit and they do it right and magstay sila. Right? We want to make sure that the newbies will stay because that will help the market a lot in the end. So please share this video, paki-share po ito. Hopefully we've earned that request from your end. Magandang gabi everyone. Philippine Stock Exchange, update tayo. PSEI. Green day today, pero net foreign selling po tayo 306 million po. So, yes, we are on an uptrend, but we are on a very strong resistance right here, ladies and gentlemen. So, konting ingat muna sa market, especially sa mga stocks na nagliliparan na where resistance levels, mas lesser ang mga pumapasok na pera. Pag ganito, so lesser chances yung mga technical analysis natin na mag-sustain, especially yung mga nasa taas na. So don't be aggressive right now. Dito, dropped 5.52% today, so it broke the support already. So ang last verdict natin, I'm just gonna change the music natin. The last verdict na natin dito is this is a descending triangle, right? Descending triangle po ito. This is a bearish triangle. We're gonna have a lesson about this later on this evening. Pero yeah, descending triangle. Our call for this is kung mag-break out, if especially you wanna trade this on the short term, let it break out muna before you wanna get in. Kasi a descending triangle, mas higher in chances po niyan mag-drop. And more details about that later. Ayan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. Punta muna tayo sa mga comments. Magandang gabi. Alright, Alan, magandang gabi. Jeep, maadjong gabi, boss, amo, manager. Pwede all day. Right, tignan natin. Mag-chart. Okay, daanan na natin charting while I go through the comments really quick. All day, okay na ba? Oh, green for today. That's a higher high. Definitely. Pull back and bounce. That's it. That will be your entry. Grabe volatility, oh. I wasn't able to go live pala kahapon. If ever we saw this green yesterday, that would have been a good call because nakita nyo, meron na tayong linya dito before. We already made a circle right there. So that was our short-term support kung gusto nyo i-trade ito. If ever you went in on this green, that's your confirmation, ladies and gentlemen, of the support. Then, congratulations. Kumita sana kayo. Diba? Pasensya na if hindi tayo nakapag-live kagabi. Nahuli sana natin to. But yeah, but before that, I already told you that, guys, if ever. I don't like this kind of trade. It's very aggressive. But if you're the type that lives in the edge and lives for the volatility, that was a short-term support. Yung bilog na yan, yung call natin to enter. And there it is. Congratulations sa mga pumasok. For all day, pull back and bounce sa susunod na entry. GG Maris, magandang gabi. Marilu Rubio, good evening everyone. Janer Diano is asking about DMC. Let's check it out. Alright. Magandang gabi. Alright. DMC. Yeah, we were calling for a pullback and bounce kay DMC. Technically, eto po, short-term support po yan. Pero pinakamaganda dito is, if you notice this is another mix siya, right? Pataas na kasi yung support niya. So that's a triangle right there. Maganda to pag mag-breakout. That's gonna be the best entry point for DMC. Pero kung you went in aggressively on that one, that's good. Breakout, mas maganda yan for Janer. Chai, good evening. Sir Lloyd, maganda ba? Alam ko siya lang daming nag-grab sa SGP. Pa-check naman po. Nag-grab sa SGP. Kamusta nga sa SGP? Anong galaw ni SGP today? I was monitoring the market. SGP Synergy Grid. Okay pa rin Lakas ng volume ni SGP pa rin So 9.85% growth for today. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay SGP. 9.85 today. Wow, well played. Right, galing last year SGP. Pa-check naman po Converge, Holcim, MM. Si Holcim bumagsak din Ang pangit ng earnings ni Holcim Underwhelming earnings, there it is. Bumagsak siya kanina. 9.10 only for third quarter earnings compared to last year. That's not a lot. And that's the reason why we're seeing the red ones right there for Holcim. It's not a buy for me. Converge. Not a buy at least for the meantime. Converge. Ayan. We called the support for Converge already. Yan po yung entry points natin, ladies and gentlemen. Binulugan na po natin. So dapat pinasok nyo na po dyan sa bottom na yan. So mga bounces na yan. So hopefully nakapasok kayo. Congratulations. That was the best entry point for Converge actually. For the short term especially. MM. Mas maubos na energy ko Di pa ako naghahapunan galing. Galing ng drop ni MM. Gap up and then drop kahapon. What happened to MM yesterday? That's weird. And nagkatakutan. Bakit nag-gap up sa MM? May nagkamali ng bili? Is the chart right? Chat, let me know what happened to MM yesterday. Wala lang isang araw. Magkagulo ka agad si MM. Right? We are at support levels. Kaso nga lang, it's breaking support. So I cannot recommend it just yet. Sabi ko, last nating call dito kaya may bilog dyan is buy pag nag-green. Pero it was a gap up. So I don't like to trade that anymore if ever ganun. So for now, it is at support. Let's see if mag-green. And let's see if ever. Okay, MM. For now, it's the volatility scaring me. So yan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening. What can you say about liquidity and Ronin Dex? Right, okay naman. We were expecting for Ronin Dex to really lift up the, what do you call this? The prices for SLP to add liquidity, SLP USDT. May staking na kasi. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, ang problema kay Axie is the supply is still very big, right? Yung supply niya, kaya lang talaga sa around 3 to 4 pesos for now. Ronin Index is a good development towards it. Sadly, nag-updates tayo. Wala pa ring update towards SLP. Maganda yung updates towards breeding that will favor Axie Infinity as a company. Yes, magmamahal yung AXS. But for the players who are depending on SLP, wala pang gaanong magandang development. Yung pinakamaganda lang so far is really removing the adventure SLP, SLP for earnings for those na nasa below 800 MMR. So that's something. That's something. Pero with Ronin Dex, we're expecting for it to go high pero hindi naman nag-sustain talaga. Marami pa rin lumalabas na SLP a day. Okay. Moving forward, Nano Joseph, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Holcim, please. Thank you. We covered Holcim already. Underwhelming yung earnings niya kaya bumagsak. Jomar Villalobos, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. G-Boy Tads, good evening. Jason Ignacio, Sir, SGP and Mac. SGP, pullback and bounce before bago nyo pasukin. Si Mac naman, Macro Asia. Let's check out Macro Asia. Pullback. MA20 is next entry natin kay Macro Asia. So, hopefully mag-sustain at umakyat pa. Right? So, MA20, pag nag-bounce dyan, entry point for Mac. A-REIT po, Marco Juan. Masyado mataas si A-REIT, man. Cannot recommend this bad boy. Nasa MA20 siya, kaso nga lang yung dividends nyo makukuha dito is napakababa na. Right? At this point, if gusto nyo pumasok kay A-REIT, kung iniisip nyo yung dividends, most probably malaki yung pera at importante. Let's say, meron kayong mga pamana na pera dyan. For the medyo meron na namang huwag kayong makikinig dyan sa mga scammer na yan. I'm gonna be banning him from the page. These guys are just sad. Let me just ban him from the page and then delete. Okay. So, balik ako sa taas. Sa A-REIT, ang maganda dito sa presyo na ito dito is if ever meron kayong pera na pamana dyan sa mga thunders natin dyan, pwede nyo gawin is lagay nyo dito kay A-REIT. Though maliit ang returns niya sa dividends, mga 3% lang siguro at this price annually. But with A-REIT, you are mas lesser ang risk kasi. So lesser risk, lesser reward. Right? Pero sa importante pera nyo, dividends habol nyo. Ito, this is good. Right here. Masyado mataas for trading na. As for Marco 1, Alquisto, magandang gabi. Renato Dolor, bimili ng pharmacy, sir. Okay. Nga pala, meron ako nakita news kahapon. Yun pala yun. Kaya nag-gap up si MM kasi of the pharmacy daw, etc. Pero bumagsak rin agad eh. Ang daming na hype. From trading halt, kasi sir. Nga pala. Kasi yun nga, may changes na malaki. Lang, shout out sa mga investors ni sir. Dahil sa inyo, nakabili na kami ng milk tea. Lang is one of our scholars. Saying thank you to our sponsors. Yan, sa mga nagsasponsors natin, sa mga kabataan natin na sinusuportaan through Axie Infinity Scholarship. Right? So, they're saying thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for the opportunity. You gave them at least win-win sa atin, di ba? Meron kayong earnings at nakatulong pa tayo ng iba. That just makes the world a lot better place to live in. Di ba? Thank you so much. All right, Alvin Castillo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Your thoughts on PXP? Let's check out PXP. Right, PXP. Massive support na PXP. Divergence on the supports. Man, ganda i-trade to. Short-term trade. Right there. Buy. As long as the support holds. Cut loss below that. That's looking mighty well, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just save that one. This is looking good. Generaliano, Sir Monde po. Let's check out Monde. Magandang gabi sa nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Dadaan ako dyan mamaya mga 8:30. Woohoo! Monde, man. Looking good. Our call was a breakout for Monde. Gap up kanina. Galing taas ng gap up. Dito nag-close. Dito nag-open. So nag-gap up siya kanina. Nag-pullback rin kaagad. Nag-bounce rin sa support niya. The support, previous resistance is our support. So nag-bounce din. Pag nag-green to bukas, that's gonna be a good buy. You know where the support is, cut loss lang below that. Marilu Rubio, sir, paano magandang gameplay kay Keeper? Kay Keeper? If nag-avail ka ng FOO sa kanya. Nga pala. If ever nag-avail kayo FOO, that definitely means that you are in it for as an investor, right? So, kung ganun, pag bumaba, then you just buy more, technically, right? Vince Ariola, pang long-term play kasi yung mga FOOs na yan, right? So, yeah. Vince Ariola, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pacheck po CLI. One of my favorite assets right now, CLI. Uy, Michikoy, kamusta kayo dyan? Right? Ano ngayon? Malamig na sa inyo dyan. Ngayon, Michikoy. Right, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po na CLI. Thanks, right. CLI, massive support. Those are buys, definitely. Earnings, third quarter, negative 31 nga lang. So baka bumigat siya dahil dyan. But overall, the company is good. Pinakamaganda dito is this is an overall descending triangle. Sige, lesson muna tayo, right? Kasi ganito yung nangyayari kay dito. Let's talk about descending triangle. So, for CLI, before we go to the lesson, breakout is gonna be your best next entry point for CLI. Dito, ano nangyari? Alright, so dito, makita nyo mga linya dito, meron tayong linya dyan before. So, our call for dito is if mag-breakout. Same with CLI today. Why on a breakout? So, because this is a descending triangle pattern, mind you. Assets create patterns. Yung mga technical analysis natin is based on patterns. Ito lang, para siyang mga geometrical patterns ang pinapakita dito. So, this is called an ascending triangle. Descending triangle. Descending kasi yung resistance niya, you know the resistance, right? The prices where prices tend to go down is pababa. Descending, and is forming a triangle right there. Descending triangle. Ang opposite naman yan is an ascending triangle wherein yung support naman ang pataas. Okay? This one, descending triangle. Okay? So, tatlong triangle sa trading. Tatlong triangle sa trading. And then we have we just call this the triangle pattern. But ano nga ba itong tawag sa triangle na ito? Isosceles triangle ba yun? Or, ano yung triangle? Triangle ba? Basta equal triangle. Super lolo. Basta yung triangle na yan. Nag-absent ka. Isosceles, no? Perfect na triangle, di ba? Galing ko. Kahit nag-absent ako nun. Hindi ako sure. Yeah, so isosceles triangle. So, yan, right? So, this is a mix of both na bearish and ang bullish maakyat. Right? So, those are the kind of triangle patterns that we have. Here, specifically, this is a descending triangle. This is a bearish triangle. Why? Our buying starts, is going sideways. So, technically, yung momentum niya is not really that strong since sideways lang ang buying. So, maraming kaantay dito pa sa baba. Right? While the selling is getting stronger and stronger, na hindi pa umaabot sa sideways resistance, binibenta na. So, pababa ng pababa yung resistance natin, which is this one right here. So, it is a bearish pattern. Now, bearish pattern siya, so mas higher ang chances for it to fail, for the support to fail because mas malakas nga yung bearish kaysa bullish, di ba? So, bullish area is right here. It's just sideways. Bearish is getting heavier. So, since it's bearish and the bearish momentum is stronger, ulit-ulitin ko lang to, the higher the chances for the pattern to fail. So, ang tendency dito, ang gagawin ninyo is we will have to wait for the market action, for the price action to defeat the bearish line. That's why ang call natin dito is let it break out lang muna before you want to trade. Okay? Kasi chances are mas higher ang chances na mag-break siya ng support and there it is, nag-break nga ng support. Okay? So, descending triangle, it's a bearish pattern. There is opportunity in it kung mag-breakout. I hope that is clear. Opposite naman sa bullish triangle. Bullish triangle, then, this is one of my favorite patterns. Yung buying naman ang pataas. Yung supports natin palakas ng palakas while the resistance is just neutral going sideways. And at a certain point, those two will meet. Mas higher ang chances nito na mag-breakout because the bullish signal is much stronger than the selling. Okay? Opposite nito. Pero kailangan nyo pa rin pa-breakoutin bago kayo pumasok. Because that's your confirmation na nanalo talaga ang bullish. Right? Here, kung mananalo man ang bullish, it will break out from the bearish line right there. So that's a descending triangle. That's a lesson for the newbies for this evening. Right? Dito, sir, we just talk about dito. Ito yung sample nga natin. Coach, MWC, this is from Norman Magat. Right, let's check it out. Coach MWC. Uy, may nagpadala ng stars. Sino? Ang pipiliin ko. Hindi ko makita sino. Lalabas yan. May zombie na lalabas dyan mamaya. Para sa nagpadala ng stars. Ayun! Si Javon Clint Berdin. Thank you so much for the 75 stars. MWC, strong resistance right here. Let it break out before you want to get in for MWC. MPI. MPI. All days, guys, pull back nyo lang muna and then let it bounce before you wanna get in all day. We covered that already earlier. MPI starting to go near resistance already. Bullish naman siya. Let it break out. Pag nag-break out yan, that will be our next best entry point. JFC, please. JFC, masyado mataas na with the market that's happening right now sa market. I will not recommend JFC anymore. Selling na po yan. Sell. Nasa RSI top na tayo. Sorry. Next kay GFC. Jason Ignacio, Sir SGP, pwede ba pumasok? Pull back and bounce before you wanna get into SGP. Masyado mataas na. Michikoy Marquez, kamusta? Marco 1, SCC po. Let's check out SCC. Juvan, thank you for the like. Sino yung nagpadala ng stars? May zombie na lalabas ulit dyan para sa mga star senders. Breakdown ng support. So, it's not a buy for SCC for now. We've called it before na downtrend na siya and yun nga bumaba. Ayun, si Alan Washalan. Thank you for the 50 stars, man. Isometric nga, sabi ni Norman. Thank you for confirming with me. Isometric triangle. Isosceles yung sinasabi ko kanina. Isometric. Javon Berdin, sir, maayong gabi. Ali, sir, if pwede pa bang pumasok? Ali. Yan. Isometric pala yung balance yung mga angles, di ba? And if you add up all the angles, it will total 180 degrees ba yan? Oh, tama. I'm not sure. Ali, breakout before you wanna get in. Let it break out lang muna. Leo Morata, good evening, sir. Good evening, boss. Good evening. Earl John Ginto, good evening, sir. Ipacheck si Baba. Thanks. Kamusta siya? Baba. Maganda ni signals ni Baba eh. Right, so, right. We called out Baba before from a green. That's gonna be your entry point. That's a reverse head and shoulder. That's a buy right there, man. That's a good entry for Baba. Javon, again, thank you for the stars. Genertiano, ano new support ni dito? Sir, wala pang support si dito. So, stay away from it lang muna. Antayin natin mag-support ulit para sa mga naglo-long term dyan kay dito, saka nyo pasukin. All day, sir, pa-check. All day, every day. Yeah, all day. Pull back and bounce before you wanna get in all day. Shepard, Sir Lloyd, pa-check ng OCGN. Let's check out OCGN. Kamusta? Again. Grabe pa volatility on the downside. I can't recommend OCGN muna. We don't have previous resistance. Supports areas are right here, but still very volatile on the downtrend. I cannot recommend it as of the moment. PSB entry NFLI. This is from Rolando Bonifacio PSB. Alright, so maya-maya daan tayo. Meron na naman nagpadala ng stars. Dami ah. Thank you so much, man. Tingnan ko lang, mababasa ko yun mamaya sino nagpadala ng stars. Thank you so much. PSB, Philippine Savings Bank, massive supports right here for PSB. Ito, kung makapasok kayo sa support for PSB, yun yung pinaka magandang entry, pero napaka-liquid ng asset na to kasi. So I can recommend, I'm not really fond of PSB. FLI. Philinvest. Talked about Philinvest before. We called it for a buy right here sa support na ito. Nagpo-pull back na naman siya. Baka bumaba pa to sa support. Broke MA20 right away kasi eh. So, I'll stay away from it for now. Juvan, Germinal, SMC. Good asset right here. Let's check out SMC. Uptrend line. SMC is right there. Okay, so sabayan. Kung gusto niyo sabayan to, uptrend line man. Nag-breakout siya. Previous resistance na lakas. Kaso lang nag-fail, nagsusupport na. Right? Bounce for SMC. That's gonna be a good entry for you. Pure Gold Booster. Junior Aquino. 50 stars. Thank you so much, man. Right? Pure Gold. Okay. Pure Gold. Resistance dito. Head and shoulder pattern tayo. Medyo bearish na po siya. I will stay away from it. So, marami na tayong tops dyan. Pala. Izanagi. Update tayo. Right? Kamusta? Kamusta yung Izanagi ninyo? Guys, comment nyo po yung Izanagi ninyo. Returns natin is 244.97. Medyo mabagal siya ngayon. Marami yung positions niya na ino-open. But yeah, 244%. 244.97% in 11 months. That's crazy numbers right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pang-scam yan na number na yan. Pero, this is verified track record by XM. Right? Ito yung track record ng bot natin and many of the viewers right now can attest to this. Viewers chat, let me know your growth and gains kay Izanagi. And ilang buwan na kayo kay Izanagi. Let the newbies know about Izanagi. What is Izanagi? Technically, this is automated trading. Meron po tayong program na available so that siya na po ang magte-trade sa inyo. Just in case na nag-aaral pa lang kayo mag-trade, at least tumutubo na yung pera ninyo. Right? This way, you're taking advantage of the market while learning. Okay? So please check this out. Automated trading, and best of all, this is for free. Libre lang po ito. Right? And because it's free, wala kaming gaanong budget to really market this one out. So I cannot say na, oy guys, share this to your friends. Libre ko kayo sa if ever meron kayo ma-refer for referrals. We can't do that. If may naririnig kayong mga bot dyan and then nagpapa-refer sa inyo, it's because yung monthly fees nila matatanggal kasi may bayad yung mga bots nila. Dito po, wala po siyang bayad to. So, hingin lang namin ang tulong ninyo, right? To let more Filipinos know about this. Ito literal na let's get rich together. Wala kayong dapat gawin. Free trading for you guys, right? Just learn it, know about it, and then kung okay sa inyo, put money in it, and wala. Chat, let me know magkano nakikita ninyo sa chat. Let sa Izanagi, let the newbies know, and then let your friends know about Izanagi, please. Right? Please, tulungan niyo po kami. Goal namin is let's get rich together, di ba? This is one way that we can do it kay Izanagi. So please share this one. Yan, automated trading, passive income na po yan, 244%. My other accounts, yung isang account namin sa Micro Izanagi, this is up 59.8, 60% already. July po ito nagsimula pa lang. Okay? So 60% already, July, August, September, October, November, 4 months, 60%. Crazy numbers right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Izanagi. Andyan sa video description, yung video about Izanagi so that you will know more about it. And registration link, kung gusto nyo magsimula, is andyan rin po sa this video description. One moment. Tigil mo na kay Mark Kuhan na. Punta muna ako sa YouTube. Pure Gold, na cover na natin kasi yon. We're done with Pure Gold. I'm gonna go to YouTube. May mga nanonood din kasi sa atin dito. 41,000 viewers. Magandang gabi. Joel Santos, hi sir, good evening. Adjust TV, good evening po sir Lloyd. Nakaabot pa ako. Pa-check po JFC. SMPH, JFC man, sell na yon. Masyado mataas na. I've been calling for JFC ever since. Eto SMPH, kaya may mga bilog dyan. Dyan ko sinabi na bilhin nyo na yan. And umaakit na ngayon. We have resistance for SMPH. Congratulations sa mga pumasok noon. Breakout is the next best entry for SMPH. Jeff Trader, good evening, Jeff. JP Handayan, nagasalamat boss, Ammo Manager. Thank you so much, man. Christian Boy, grabe yung nabili kong Bitcoin dati. Ang dami na. O nga eh. Alright, we did call out for Bitcoin noong 30,000. Even noon, 3,000. Told you guys, kung pumasok kayo noon sa mga 20,000 kay Bitcoin, bakit ayaw yung pumasok ngayon na nasa 3,000 na siya? Diba? So, those are very good dips, and imagine that, kung pumasok kayo nung 3,000 sa Bitcoin, bumaba yun ng 3,000. Times 20 na yung pera ninyo. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Bitcoin noon. Small Kids Blanco, good evening. Christian Boy, nakapagod mag-axi, 3-team ako lang mag-isa. Pero tiba-tiba ka na sa pera, pre. So, yeah. It's worth it, really, diba? Kahit nakapagod, huwag kayong magreklamo. Hindi lahat ng mga tao may mga axi. So, you're blessed, man. You have 3 keys under you. Congrats. Thoughts on GT Cap? Let's check out GT Cap. You should be thankful, man. Grind lang ng grind. Right? Pagod yan, pero the rewards are gonna be very good. Diba? Ang laki ng sweldo mo yan. GT Cap, uptrend line is right here. It's doing well, right? That is actually a buy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, good find for GT Cap. Short-term trades lang nga lang yan. Christian Boy, ganda na support dito. Dito yung pinakamagandang pasok eh. Christian Boy, kaya nag-splinter lance ako. Silver, nakakapagod pa rin, kaya staking na lang. Alright, Jerson Kabuat, yep. Picor, sir, any thoughts? Kasi staking mo, paano yung Axie mo, pre? Kung magsa-staking ka lang tapos hindi ka na maglalaro ng Axie mo, ibebenta mo to SLP? I'm not really sure. Ipa-ano mo na lang, ipa-scholar mo na lang kung meron kang tatlo, di ba? GT Cap, Asan na ako? GT Cup. Ano yung last? Ba't nawala? Yan. Picor. This from Gerson Kabuat, I believe so. Jeff Trader Picor. Any thoughts, Picor? Downtrend for now. Stay away from it. Christian, 70 cents lang bili ko dati dito. Kung bumaba. Up to you, man. Gilier Villaflor, Sir Lloyd, is it okay to enter GMA 7? Thank you so much for the insights, sir. Let's check out GMA 7. GMA 7. Alright, so GMA 7, descending triangle. So kind of a bearish pattern right now. I've been against GMA 7 since lumipad na ito. Since, yan, nag-breakout pa nga siya. But still respecting the support, right? So, okay yung support ni GMA 7. Let it break out. Pag nag-breakout yan sa descending triangle niya, that's gonna be your next best entry point since may dalawang support kayo dyan for GMA 7. ASEN, Sir Giovardot. Let's check out ASEN. Any thoughts on MM? May ASEN, resistance tayo. Let it break out lang muna or kung bumalik sa support, it's gonna be your best entry point. MM, volatile on the downside kasi nasa support naman tayo. Tignan lang muna natin if ever bounce siya sa support before you wanna get in for MM. Going back to Facebook. PayPal. Sabi ni Janelle Diano, yung mga online payments ngayon bumagsak eh. Tingnan nga natin. PayPal. Nag-gap down kasi si PayPal. Right? So, gap down. Not really sure what happened right here. We don't have any signal for PayPal for now. Stay away from it. Call natin kay PayPal before is kung umakyat tas mag-pull back and bounce. Kaya may bilog dyan, di ba? But the gap down, so we weren't given that buy signal for PayPal. Stay away from it for now. Good po ba si dito for long term? I would say yes. Maganda yung growth ni dito for long term. Rodrigo, hello Sir Lloyd, about Vita po. Let's check out Vita. I am into dito for long term. Vita. And yan. Support for Vita. Okay naman yung divergences niya. Yung RSI niya showing good signals. If you want to trade this one out, Vita, let it bounce and then that's gonna be your entry point. Or kung gusto nyo yung secondary signal, breakout and let it hold. Vita. Alright, FMETF Pusher TY. This is from Marco 1, FMETF. Okay to kasi dependent naman to sa index rin eh. So FMETF, since we're bullish right now, bullish rin sa FMETF. No buy zone tayo. Bearish signals for FMETF as of this point. Stay away from it, Juvan. You're welcome. Jiboy Tads, Izanagi micro account, sir. 3 months and 2 weeks, 134% profits. 3 months, 2 weeks. Galing man 134%. Woo! Jiboy Tads, pa-burger man. Congratulations. Joshua Patila, more power sir. Good evening, pasilip sa DMC, nag-take profits na po. Pero okay pa rin po ba pasukit ulit this time? Thank you for the 100 stars, Joshua Patila. DMC, let's check it out. Medyo nag-lead yung signals natin for DMC. Nakalipad na kasi to. Masyadong mataas na si DMC for me. Yes, there is signal. Short term na lang trade na ito. I can recommend it for long term na. And let it break out now na. Mana crypto 27% up today. Wow, galing. Juvic Jimenez, long term for SGP, sir. Tell you honestly, wala po akong data sa kanya fundamentally sa SGP. But ito good news I talked to Arnel and he is gonna be available next week. Tingnan ko ulit yung message niya. Arnel Pipito. Monday or Tuesday, right? We are gonna be talking about Medic na IPO, fundamentals. So, sa SGP na question ninyo, you're asking for fundamentals for long term, yeah, ask it on Monday. So, keep it, Monday or Tuesday po. Magpa-finalize pa kami ng schedule ni Kapayamang Arnel. Right, going back to YouTube, right, Tilit Jose, good. Yan po, XRP Puser, dependent kasi ito kay Bitcoin eh. So, Bitcoin, BTC, kamustahin natin si BTC USD. Alright, taas na kasi ni Bitcoin. And pull back na somehow, right, sustaining MA20. If lumipad yan si Bitcoin, may pag-asa pa kay XRP. So, just look for entries for XRP if ever umarangkada sa Bitcoin. Okay? Baka umarangkada si Bitcoin, mag-breakout sa XRP, breakout strategy for this one. Asa na ako? Julia Yacosta, you're welcome. Si BTC, kailan pwede pumasok? First time kasi mag-try ng crypto. Ngayon is masyado mataas na si Bitcoin. I will not recommend buying Bitcoin as of this time. ASEN, we covered that already. Good PM to sir. From Tommy Escobedo, kamusta? Good PM po. Any thoughts for URC? URC has been doing well lately. And third quarter earnings, 26% po siya. So that's what I meant by doing well. So supports are here. Triangle pattern. Breakout sa triangle na yan. That's gonna be your best entry for URC. Feliciano. JGS po. Hirap ng pangalan mo, girl. Pero okay lang yan. Pangalan lang naman yan eh. Earnings, negative 1,000% for JG Summit. So baka magtuloy-tuloy ang downtrend niya. Ladies and gentlemen, so I cannot recommend JGS lang muna. Those are very bad numbers. Small kids, sir, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Going back to YouTube and long-term SGP, FB po, thanks. This is from Bobby Shelby, FB. Right, Facebook, yan. Facebook, resistance right here. That's gonna be a buy right there. First support, secondary support. I think mag-green to. Bodegahin nyo to. Pag nag-bounce dyan, what goes further down, you just buy some more for Facebook. Right? And if you want, gusto nyo manigurado, ayun yung bodega na style. Breakout for FB. That's gonna be your next entry point. Alright, so pala, ladies and gentlemen, right, what you're seeing on the screen right now is SLP earnings po ng mga scholars natin sa Axie Infinity. Medyo may kababaan pa yan ngayon ulit because kakasimula pa lang ng season and nasa baba lahat ng mga players. So, medyo challenging ang mag-farm ngayon ng SLPs. But then again, our scholars are able to get 190, 180, 168, 166. So, those are very good numbers considering the price of SLP right now. For a day, calculator, our teams are getting, let's say, alam yun, to 180 SLP. 180 SLP times 3.5, that's 630 pesos a day, right? So, ito yung parang nakukuha natin sa Axie Infinity a day sa isang team. As of the moment, mas taas po to. Yung nga lang nag-reset, nagkaroon ng update na kasi kay SLP. So, medyo adjusting lang naman lahat. But then again, these are very good numbers, right? 630 pesos a day times 31 days. That is still around 19,530 pesos, right? So, if ever you want to partner up with me, you want to diversify into what do you call this, Axie Infinity, right? Let me know, right? Kung ayaw niyo sakit ng ulo ng mga papascholar, hanap ng Axie, ganito, ganyan, and monitoring, etc. Ako na po bala. I have a very strong team that's working with me, and sitting pretty lang kayo. Kami na magpatubo ng pera ninyo. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 if you want to partner up with me. Izanagi is crazy. I tell you. Please check it out. If you're watching right now kasi gusto niyo maghanap ng pera, here po. This bot is for free. Wala kayong babayaran dyan. Only the monthly VPS, which is around 500 pesos. Yun po yung technically yung PC, yung server kung saan magte-trade yung bot ninyo 24/7 para hindi na mag-on yung PC ninyo ng 24/7. Diba? So, check it out. Izanagi. Doing well for us. Hopefully, gusto nyo makisabay. This is easy money, I tell you. Right. Pang-scam yung pangalan eh, di ba? I mean, pang-scam yung numbers eh, di ba? It sounds too good to be true, but this is not easy money. I tell you, hindi po siya easy because we worked so hard for this, right? We worked so hard for Izanagi. For this to be formed, dagdag pa sa trabaho dyan is linibre namin to. May admin works po ito. sobrang daming tracking, monitoring, etc. The bot itself, we have to monitor it, etc. Pero linibre na namin yan para sa inyo. Hindi na kami nag-charge, right? Kasi servisyo publiko ito. Kami na nagtrabaho para easy na lang para sa inyo, right? Yeah, Izanagi, check it out. Definitely. So, I'm just reading through the comments kasi na tapos na yung comments natin, so I'm just plugging these. Junior Aquino, Izanagi, the best passive income. Thank you so much, Junior Aquino, man. Grabe ang returns ni Izanagi for us. We weren't expecting for this to really go to $300. I mean, times 3 yung pera natin in just 1 year kasi yung back testing kasi natin, a year or so, siguro nasa less than 100%, which is already very good, di ba? Magta times 2 yung pera mo in 1 year. Ngayon, this year lang is sobrang blessed ng Izanagi. Recovery, lahat, nakisabay siya. And we were able to get almost times 3. More than times 3 our funds since January. Yung mga nakakasabay lang, yun, nakita nyo kanina, 139% already in just 3 months plus. Yan po. Izanagi is for free. Please check it out. Gonna go to YouTube just to final sweep sa mga comments natin. Meron pa ito. Seb, is it a buy na from the Net Mill? Net, ang laki na ng kita mo ka, Seb. You wanna buy more? Kasi umaakit na to si Seb eh. Right, uptrend line for Seb. If you wanna buy more, umabot na tayo sa no buy zone. Pero malaki pa rin chance dito kung umakit kasi travel should be stronger the next coming months because of the vaccine. Ang ganda ng news natin sa COVID. Pawala. So, most probably, Seb will be rebounding anytime soon. So, yeah, if you ever, kung gusto nyo magbodega, always the pullbacks and bounce, diba? So, next bounce for this one, Nanette, is gonna be the next best entry. Congratulations. Alam ko si Nanette dito pa sa babayan pumasok. FB, URC, Monday, FB Food and Beverages, San Miguel Food and Beverages, let it break out before you want to get in or support kung gusto nyo mag-aggressive. URC, we covered URC already, let it break out from that triangle. Monday, Green bukas, that is your entry point for Monday. CNPF, kumusta natin CNPF po? Sideways stand na tayo. Bangan natin sa support muna for CNPF since mababa na siya. So, yan yung unang support natin kung saan natin naabangan si CNPF. For now, wag na muna. Okay, going back to Facebook. Ayan, nabasa natin lahat. Thank you so much for watching. And this evening, again, you're gonna partner up with us, Axie Infinity. Ang galing ng mga scholars natin. Nakita nyo man kanina. Around, if ever that's the performance of the players, yung nakita nyo yung path kanina, we're giving out 20% to our sponsors, right? So meaning if ever maka 20k a month yung scholar ninyo, that's around 4k passive income po sa initial investment ninyo. 4k, isang parentahan na po yan for an investment of 60,000 pesos. Diba? So those are very good numbers already. It's around 5 to 8% your monthly income sa initial investment nyo sa Axie. So the hype is still good with Axie. That's why we use the hype right now, right? So, sayang naman po. At the same time, nakabigay kayo ng trabaho to someone. So, that's a good deed for you guys. And I firmly believe in give and you shall receive. So, if ever you're looking for a good way to earn, Axie Infinity is one. Pwede nyo po ipa-scholar. I can do that job for you guys. Maghanap tayo na scholar na magaling. That's one of my promise to you. Dapat magaling mga scholars para sulit naman yung investments natin. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Izanagi, register po. That's it. This evening, Thursday tayo ngayon di ba? Meron pa tayo bukas. I mean, Friday na pala tayo ngayon. Sorry, kahapon pala yung Thursday. Wala ako kahapon kasi, so nag-skip yung mind ko. So, Friday already. So, no market for tomorrow. Time to relax and spend time with your family. But most importantly, please po, stay safe po kayo. COVID is still there. Right? So, extra ingat po sa inyo. God bless you, everyone. Thank you so much for helping our scholars. Kung kaya nyo po kung kaya nyo po mag-sponsor, gusto nyo makatulong din sa kapwa natin while we're earning at the same time, check out scholarship natin, sponsorship. If you want to sponsor a team, send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. That's it. God bless. See you next week. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.
Oh